Hi, this is Rob with Paramount Construction. I want to show you a really nice property in Bethesda. It's in the Walt Whitman High School cluster. This property is a corner lot. It's 11,100 square feet. A very unique property. On the east side is a wooded lot, and then on the south side is a state of Maryland right-of-way. So there's a walking path right here, and the property line of the 11,100 square foot lot is this dotted and dashed line right in here. So we could actually face the front of the new home either south, or we could face the front of the new home west. And the state of Maryland has a right of way which goes all the way from Wilson all the way to River Road. So the right of way is approximately 65 feet off of this walking path. So this is a buffer. Now, we've applied for a permit to put some landscape barriers along Maryknoll Avenue and along this pathway. So far, we do have some preliminary approvals from the state of Maryland. Just waiting to formalize that, but we're proposing to put the shrubs in. We're going to hold off on the fence for now because we think these trees will give it a very nice barrier and give it a lot of privacy. Now, we cannot build on this piece, but it's a buffer off of Wilson. If we face the house this way, we'd have a Maryknoll address. If we face the house south, we would have a Wilson Lane address. We've got all kinds of different plans laid out on this lot. I'll show you a plan that faces Wilson. If you're interested, we're happy to create a plan for you. We're happy to customize a plan, but I'll show you one we've laid out here. This is a modern farmhouse elevation. So this would be the front door facing west. So the property line is this lightly dotted and dashed line here. Then the buildable area is within this dashed line right in here. This dark black line is a retaining wall. So right now, the topography of the lot is conducive to a walkout on this side, which means the basement would have all glass and you'd walk right out from the basement onto the yard. We could also easily make the lot flat on this side. Right now, the lot's flat on this west side and on the south side. So lots of things we could do on this. But so we're showing that the front door faces south, and then we've got something like 42 feet from the back of the house to the back of the property line. Let me blow this up. Well, actually, I'll show you the first floor. And so you come in, let me shrink this a little bit. Come in, the front door to the right is an office, to the left is an open stairway, and then a dining room. We've got a kitchen with a large island open to a family room with a fireplace, some built-ins, and this is all glass because these views are incredible. It's just wooded views right here. So very private property, very private lot. And then we have a nook for a breakfast table and then a screened porch. Come in through the two-car garage. We have a mud room and then a vestibule and then a powder room. Again, happy to create a plan for you. This is 1,450 feet on this floor. Let's go up these stairs to the second floor. Come up the stairs, and we have 4 bedrooms on the second floor. We're showing 1,650 feet on the second floor. You come up the stairs, there's a landing. We have a Jack and Jill bathroom 2 and bathroom 3, share a nice large bathroom. Here, each bedroom 2 and 3 have their own walk-in closet. Bedroom 4 has an ensuite, a full bath in the suite. And then we have the laundry room here. And then we have the primary bedroom, nice large bedroom, all windows across the back. And then we have a very large closet and then a large primary bathroom. Let's go to the lower level. In this configuration, this would be a walkout. So we've got to come down the stairs. We have an exercise room. Come through the exercise room, we have another bedroom number 5. We have a full bath, and then this walks through this little vestibule here into a very large rec room. Table space here if you want to do a game room or a ping pong table or a pool table, and then we have a wet bar here. Then we have the furnace water heater back over here. This is all glass. Go back to that front elevation. So again, one of many, many plans. If you're interested in talking to us about this lot or any of our other building lots in Arlington, Bethesda, Chevy Chase, Falls Church, McLean, Potomac, Vienna, Virginia, or Washington, D.C., I'll put some links somewhere on this page, and you can get a hold of me or anybody on our design or sales team, and we're happy to answer all your questions. And I enjoyed making this for you, and I hope to talk to you soon.